Hello, today we're gonna do the oil change on the Transalp. We're gonna use Putoline oil, which is one of best, and high flow oil filter. You can buy this kit by Rinolfi if you are in Italy, or otherwise in your own country you check it out on eBay or whatever, and you will find the distributor. You remove the nut on the other side with a 17mm spanner, and you drain all the oil. If you have time, you can leave the bike overnight so that you can get all the residual oil out. Also on the side stand it will be better because the drain is on the left side of the bike. This is a very easy to use. You see, you enlarge this, put over the filter, and then tie it up by screwing this on. So it's very simple, very easy. How you check the level? As you put the oil in the engine, you can put like 2 liters, for example, and then warm up just a little bit the engine. Wait a few minutes, the oil will go all the way down, and then you add until in this cup you reach the upper level. Okay, that's it, very simple. Of course, if you have a standard 600 or 650, you have to remove the bash plate, of course, first. And for that you have the plus screwdriver and a 10mm for the front. For the bottom there is another screw around here. Okay, it's very simple. So another thing, watch out if the engine is hot. It's dangerous to remove the cap, or you can burn your hands. So it's better to do it as the engine is not so hot. Attendere. To remove the plastic, and this is already wet with oil. See, it's wet. This tool works here in this section where you have these squares. You see this, so that has more grip. If you put it in the middle, it's with a slip. Okay, so you put it like this, tie it up like this. And also some oil will come out, so you have to be careful not to. Okay, you let it drip and then you remove it completely. Okay, in the new filter you can put previously some oil inside. Of course you cannot make it full because it will come out when you install it, so you can put just some. Don't need to tighten it too much, because otherwise when you're going to remove it next time, usually it is sufficient to tighten it by hand. So if you use the tool, be careful not too much. Once you drained everything, you can close it. Be careful not to ruin the thread. It's very long. So you turn it at least 2 times or 3 times by hand. Okay, do it by hand and turn it a few times So make sure that you are getting in the thread. Okay. Then you tied it without exaggerating, just. How much oil do you need? You need from 2 to 3 liter, depending on. If you change only the oil, is 2.3 liter. If you change also the oil filter, is going to be 2.5. But if the engine has been rebuilt, so it's completely clean inside, you need 3 liter. Anyway, the best way to do it right is just you put 2 liter inside, then you warm up a little bit the engine, you let the level sink down, and then you add until you reach the second line here. You have 2 lines. Not over the line, these 2 lines. This is the lowest, this is highest. Now we are gonna pour the oil. This is very handy, this cap. You can go directly in the hole, like this. Need to unscrew the cap or just pull, okay? And then remove this small cap and it's open. Go like this and squeeze it. If you are in a hurry, you can squeeze it. It's gonna go faster. All right, this is the radiator liquid drain screw. One thing, watch out, because sometimes it's rusty inside, and when you go to undo it, it breaks. And so you're gonna be in a big trouble to get the remains inside of the pump. So you see, this is all the drain screw. You see what I mean here? It was about to break. So if this breaks inside, you have to remove the residues, this part, and it's going to be a problem. So if you see that it's not easy to undo it, you go for the radiator hose. So you drain it from here. You remove the belt and pull this one backward and drain it from here, not from this screw, okay? So now we're gonna put coolant, and we're gonna use this as a funnel. You see, so we can recycle this. Just clean it up with some paper, but it's no big deal if you get some oil in the radiator. It doesn't matter. Okay, so you see perfectly, it will fit. Just use this Putaline product, are very good for this bike, and we have refuel the cooling system, engine oil, but also we have brake fluid that has to be changed once in a while. Best every year to change it. And later on we will do another video for the front fork oil change. Please subscribe our channel and leave a comment if you like to have some video about technicalities of the bike.